Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to go back or how to come at the first page activity. Look like this. When we click here, it brings us at the second activity, and if we click this, it brings us the final activity. If we want to come at the first activity, we have to click here like this, but let's make this icon. When we click on it, it brings us at the first activity. Let's make it. For this reason, go to the final activity, and here you have to choose an ID for this. Let's see it. The ID of this is go back, and also remember that you have to make clickable this, and don't use on click. Delete this, and after that let's go to our activity, and here at the first let's make the object of image or image view. Now let's specify it. This line of code adjusts our screen, and if you don't know about it, you can go to the previous lecture and you will understand about it. Now let's specify this. Let's see the ID of this. Go back, yes. And after that, let's make the set on click listener. And inside of this, because when you want to go to the first activity, if you want to go from one activity to another activity, we have to make the object of intent. And now let's see our program. Let's run it. Let's go to the second activity and also go to the final activity, and after that let's click on it. Yes, it brings us at the first activity. This was our tutorial, and I hope you understand something from this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and comment. Thank you guys.